I'm at a loss for words right now. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making salted chocolate chip shortbread cookies. Oh my God. So when we make our cookies, think of it as shortbread cookie meets chocolate chip cookie. They come together into one. So how can you go wrong? I don't think you can.
So to start, we want to mix our butter, both of our sugars, that would be white granulated and brown sugar, and then our vanilla. And we want to mix this well until it's light and fluffy, about 3 minutes at least, and then we want to scrape down the bowl. We'll add our flour next, along with chocolate chips. There's no rising agent needed in shortbread cookies. Now we'll just mix our flour and chocolate chips until everything just comes together. Divide your dough into 2 halves and place it on plastic wrap. You're going to roll each into a 6-inch log about 2 inches in diameter. After chilling for about 2 hours, you want to brush each of your cookie logs with beaten egg. Then you're going to roll it in generous amounts of turbinado sugar. Cut your cookie logs into 1-inch slices, and you want to sprinkle with a flaked sea salt. Bake at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes, and there's only one thing left to do.
Well, thanks for joining me today as we made these cookies. I hope you make them, and if you do, please let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.